Merry Christmas.
Hello, sirs. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Dun, dun, dun. What is this emote, lol? Holy. Good morning, my brothers. No, I don't want to switch. Thank you very much. Today we're going to do some nice little coding in the game. Even on Christmas, yes, even on Christmas, sir. Very important. And then we'll do some nice little reaction. And then I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hey, Cakes, good to see you. Yeah, good to see you too, Test DJ. Hope you're having a good day. At least in Germany, today is Christmas. So today is where you eat, you meet your family, usually. And if you don't have a family, hello, I'm here. Right? Then you just go and watch a stream. Hello. That's what I did a lot in the past. When I didn't want to go to my family. And you obviously get presents in Germany today. Now, I'm probably gonna get anywhere between socks and pullovers and, I don't know, relaxing pants or something. I don't know what you call that in English. I call them relaxing pants. Chillhosen in English, halt, no? Cakes, Christmas, Merry Christmas. Said that the only thing you're shipping this year is snow instead of a demo, but you're gonna get there next year. You've waited on that one, didn't you? You waited on that a long time, did you? Be honest. Hello there, Zebra. Good morning. Mr. Lawboy has waited on that a lot. I'm pretty sure he did. Yeah. He wrote that down a couple of days ago, 100%. Yeah, amazing. Good stuff, brother. Yeah, today we're gonna do some, you know, we need to do some progress on the game to stay on top. Because we need to bring out the demo version soon. I also have the question that I need to solve about, well, who's gonna make my Steam capsule? Are you guys eating today, or do you get presents tomorrow? Those of you in chat. Who's getting presents today? We do. In Germany. Today, yeah? Merry Christmas, Mr. Cakes. Tomorrow? Here in the US, it's pretty normal for us to go see family and have dinner on the 24th, but the kids open all the gifts at home on the tree when they wake up the morning of the 25th. Yeah, so that's what I've seen in movies too. I heard mostly. It's called Christmas Eve. And Eve, is that the morning? Christmas morning? Is Eve a synonym for morning? Cakes, have you checked out the Cave engine? Some dude on YouTube just released it and it looks really promising. It looks like a block bench plus Unity's easy to use UI and Godot's component system. No, I have not. But I'm not interested that much in engines. I guess I could take a Giza. Let me see here. Block engine. Let me see here. Everything about engine blocks. How it's made. Engine blocks. I think I'm not seeing it, no. That's not looking like an engine that anyone would use to make games in, bro. That looks more like a car. Well, you know, who am I to judge? Maybe these people can make games in these. You never know. You just need enough skill.
Don't market it.
Right?
The money will come to you.
Block engine. I can't find it, brother. Hello there, Mr. Techbox North. Merry Christmas. Here in Sweden we get presents today. Yeah, we too. I'm gonna get a bunch of socks, am I? Any V8 Joya, Sin Tipuff, good morning. Cave engine. Oh, sorry, I'm stupid. Cave engine. Cave engine tutorial. Cave engine 9.1 is here. Or 0.91 is here 5 months ago. 14 hours ago, my cave engine is finally done. 30 minutes. That's way too long to watch, bro. But let's see. Let's skim through this. Sounds interesting. Merry Christmas. Your last Christmas, Cakes. My last Christmas? Bro, get the fuck out of here. Frohe Weihnachten, Morgs. Good morning. Get the fuck out of here, bruh. I don't want to hear that. What? Yeah, Monarch S.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Whoa, you're loud.
of Cave Ancient won't find it again and re-enable.
It's using... It is using... I'm GUI.
Am I
Is it
so
not?
out of touch? No.
Real Super Cool is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Boban, thank you, that's super cool. Is that my Christmas present? Thank you very much, bro. Frohe Weihnachten, thank you. Bro, appreciate that. Go to 27 minutes. 27 minutes. I might as well, I'm gonna skim through this a little bit. Yeah, so I like engines, but if I were to use an engine, then I would most likely just use scene, add debug circle, a transform. Yeah, this is its own scripting language. If it works for anyone out there, that's great. Not for me. I would not see... That's cool. We might even make content out of this where we... Okay, let's make a game in the Cave engine. And then see what type of game we can make in the Cave engine over 1 week. That would be awesome content. But to build my life on this? No. No way. Why would I learn that instead of learning how to make a game in C++? I think my life would mean more if I know how to make a game in C++. That's how I see it. But that doesn't mean that this is bad. Euch ein frohes Fest. Dir auch, Schrubtor. Thanks for joining and, you know, taking the time to write a positive message. I appreciate that a lot, man. Because this looks like his own scripting language, or it's Lua. I don't know, one of the two. It's probably Lua, I would assume. Cakes is a Christmas gift. To me, can you fix the iOS/metal support for relips? Such a skilled dev as you won't take that more than a dev the day or two, right? To be honest, bro, I'm pretty sure I could. I'm pretty sure I could. Like, no cap. If I had a Mac, I might be able to do it. But I don't. So, no cap, no, literally, I think I could. Actually, 27 minutes. Oh, that's bright. 27 minutes. Yeah, the node system here looks nice. It looks very clean.
Open in your browser an API for the engine. So I am here with
Python API, so it's scripting in Python. Listen, man, like...
so you can see here.
Wait, the Cave engine, what is it written in? Is it written in Python?
Expand this. You can
I don't see the advantages of this, but... Yeah, I don't want to say anything negative. It's just not for me. I don't know. To me, it just looks like another diversion, another distraction, another something else rather than making a game thing. Just make a game, man. It doesn't matter what you use it in. C++, Python syntax compiles to C++, I think. That's not the point. The point of making a game in C++ is the efficiency. And you don't want to give that away by scripting in Python so you have a bunch of memory allocations that you have no control over. That's how I see it. So for me, that would be nothing, but it looks cool to make content out of. So I'm gonna write that down. Actually, I'm gonna write that down on a list where I keep track of what I would like to do content-wise. And then, you know, Cave, make a game in Cave engine to test the engine. And I probably want to make a 3D game in it, because it looks very 3D. There you go. Oh no, I have memory allocations on my low poly 3D game, which runs at 2000 FPS anyways. Looks way better than Godot for me personally. Yeah, but you're gonna run into nooks and crannies there too. Listen, Obgoleva, I think you were the person yesterday that... Yeah, you gave me 500 bits. You were the person yesterday that was struggling to make games. Focus on game development. Do you see a pattern here? That you're talking about a different engine right now? Just give it a go, man. Download the thing right now and start making your game in it. You told me that your game is overscoped. Listen, bro, do this. Where is it? Right? Best advice if... Here. Please. You need to do this. man. Also, guys, I have something very nicely planned for tomorrow, but I can't do it today. I can spoil you if you want to. We're gonna read the article that this guy read, but we're gonna try to be faster than him. We're gonna try to be faster than an hour. C++ is an absolute blast. It's a long-ass article.
Crow Games Dev just subscribed.
Do what this guy says, man.
1 year.
You need to do what this guy says. And what does he say? He says this. I'm gonna make it loud.
But like my number one thing for
Please.
every single person who makes games, if you want to make games, make small games, a lot of them.
Do you understand that? Should he repeat it? Wait, I'm gonna make him repeat.
If you want to make games, make small games, a lot of them.
Wait, I'm gonna repeat that again.
Games, make small games, a lot of them. Every single person who makes games, if you want to make games, make small games, a lot of them, as many as you possibly can. If you want to make games, make small games, a lot of them, as many as you possibly can. If you want to make games, make small games, a lot of them, as many as you possibly can.
I think, do you understand what he's trying to say? So you should just download that engine right now, bro, and make a game in it. And see if you like it. Okay, bro. And by the way, Crow's gamedev, thank you very much for subscribing with Prime. My man, thank you so much for the support. Merry Christmas, bro. Welcome, sir. Understood. Time to make an MMO. Any chance of you stream Gothic today? No, Gothic got delayed, and I'm so happy that it got delayed because I have so much on the plate at the moment. Good thing is I don't have to work, probably, I don't want to jinx it, I don't have to work as much till the end of the year, so I should be good. I've worked so much that I basically worked an entire month more than I should have worked, but I'm gonna get the money now, so I have like a huge payday coming in, which is awesome. My first game was very small, only 360 by 180 pixels in fact. I think that's Celeste's size. Merry Christmas. Oh man, Merry Christmas to you too. Crow Games Dev. Appreciate it. Sorry, I didn't get that. Can you repeat? Yeah. Small games, 6 months dev. Make small games. If you want to make games, make small games. A lot of them, as fast as you can. Yeah, so Opgoliver, make a small game now. Make? Listen. If that's confusing to you, I got you covered, brother. If that is actually confusing to you, I have a comment under my video that clears this up. Okay? Let me read this to you. So it might be confusing to you what that means actually. Okay, making small games. What is that? I've never... Can you eat this? Listen, I do not understand a lot of the confusion with you in the chat. I thought it was obvious that it was talking about completing 10 games. Make Flappy Bird clone, that's a game. Make Brick Breaker clone, that's a game. Make Pong, Asteroids, Pac-Man, Bomberman, Minesweeper, etc. Those are all old school low end. But the point is understanding how to complete a game and gaining that experience and feedback after crossing the finish line. Obviously with tech we have now, all of the resources we have, your games can be a lot bigger if necessary, like a walking simulator, 3D platformers, card games, factor and colony builders, etc. But again, the point is that you're just training exercise, that it's just a training exercise. It doesn't have to be 10 games. If it's 2 to 5 games, perhaps for you in particular, that's enough. Do you understand? Are instructions clear, sir? You just need to make games. If you would want to make a 3D game, would you write it from scratch as well? That's what we're gonna test next, bro. I'm currently working on my demo. When we're done with this, when the demo is out, I'm gonna start educating myself on 3D in C++, and we are going to do Unreal Engine for the first time as well. And then I'm going to make an educated decision on whether I want to use Unreal Engine or make my own 3D engine in C++. We'll see. I don't know yet. I'm open to both. We will try out Unity too. It's gonna be a fun time. You know, we'll make 3D games. These 3D games are easier to make YouTube devlogs about. So I can see... You know, I can see the views coming in, the views. Agree, as an indie makes small fun games. Exactly, Classy Studio. Glassy Studio, sorry. I mean, the original Gothic 1 and 2, not remake. It's holidays after all. Why not spend time on your favorite games? Because I cannot enjoy my favorite games unless I have the sense of accomplishment within me that gives me the validation to slack off. So, for example, right now, the #1 priority of what I want to do is bring out my demo version and get my stream, keep my stream alive so I don't drown in work. And the demo version takes precedence over everything, so I can't enjoy games I cannot enjoy my games because I know if I bring out my demo version, it will be a huge milestone for me, and I value that milestone over. I just can't relax. Essentially, that's the point. I cannot relax. Are we planning for January? I hope, yeah. I hope. So what that means is I'm gonna play my game a lot and try to balance it as much as I can, you know? But yeah, I'm excited for 3D and I'm excited to play games too. Of course, yes. I love playing games. I wanna play... not Dark Souls. I have some cool stuff planned for other games that I wanna play, you know? Turn basically the entire stream into a really cool event where we do some cool challenges in games. I have so many things that I would like to do. Yeah, of course, man. Anyways, let's just keep going, do something, you know, so that we can feel better about ourselves. Yesterday I managed to get to round 21. And that's when the first skeleton started spawning. And now we need to balance that. And also we need to figure out how to nerf our ability shield orbs. The ability is way too powerful, this one here. So guys, how do we nerf shield orbs? I think it's too OP. We need to do something. Any ideas? I played Dark Souls 1 and 2 and I'm holding off on Dark Souls 3 until I finish my game. Yeah, that's how I do it too. I'm holding off until 2 shields instead of 3. You guys think I should just remove 1 shield? Or should I just start with 1 shield, not 2? That would make it even worse. 1 looks lame. Fine, let's try shield orbs. 2 looks still good. Okay, let's see. Wait, we actually have 2. I start out with 2. Why do I have 3 then? Shield count based on projectile shield orbs. Wait, that might be it. Let me see. So right now we have 2. Projectile count.
I love Cakez, dirty dog.
That's
fucker,
4.
no soap, no skill, no
Okay.
original ideas, blue
I see.
bastard, no clue, no knowledge, no games released, no good text, no code, dumb.
This is a very good
Tangy,
stream.
fuck
Yeah,
off,
yeah,
stop
it is. Thank you,
streaming,
man.
okay, champ.
Appreciate it. You have built-in self-control. Cool. Listen, it's not self-control. It's... Have you ever wanted something so bad that you can't do anything else? It's something like that. All right, let's see. That is Defender. I'm gonna change the base projectile. Projectile count base to 0. No idea how to do OpenGL. 3D FPS game with 2D PS graphics, set and lighting. My man, Alpha, Kani, thank you very much for following, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Alright, let's see. What are we doing? Hello there, sir. We're gonna restart. We'll restart the entire game and try it again. And I think I have to stagger the game a little bit more. The game's too imbalanced at the moment. Guys, you know what's awesome today? I'm gonna visit my parents. And I'm going to take a bath. I'm so excited for that. That's like my Christmas present today, man. We don't have a bathtub here, so it's amazing. I'm happy. Monthly bath, damn, that's insane, yeah. W for parents, yeah, true. So let's do collector of stuff's idea. Wait, let's do collector of stuff's strategy of placing units in the corners. Having a bath once a year is very cool. Yeah, true. Bathing after 1 year. It's so relaxing. I love it. I miss it actually. Alright, let's see. Let's put this guy here. He's gonna be able to hit all of them too. And then we're gonna get the shield orbs, which right now is just 2 shields. Should be 2 shields. Alright, let's give this guy shield orbs. Okay, so there's 2 shields now, from the beginning. Maybe that's not as OP, but I feel like I need to nerf the duration of it too. Oh, I'm leaking. Guys, I'm actually already leaking. That's bad. Let's get this. How long did it take you to make that game, lol? This game is the result of about 2 years of programming. However, the version that was before this game took 1 year. So you could say that I've been working on this game for 3 years. Something like that. What do we do? I'm gonna make this guy get war banner. And then we're gonna get more. Oh, we need. Oh my god, I'm losing. Oh no. I'm losing. Wait, is that 14? Okay, bro. Okay, I see. I like that version. Should have finished that and started with this as version 2. But I did. It's kind of finished. There is nothing more the version could offer. Any time spent on the version is wasted time, in my opinion, bro. 3 years, oh my fucking god, yeah. So, here's how I see it. The advice that people give online to make small games. Do you guys know why people say that you should make small games online? What is the reasoning for that? For most people, it's motivation. Skill issue? No, for most people, it's that they lose motivation otherwise. And the reason for that is because you're making such a huge game, you don't see the end of the day or the end of the light. You don't see the light at the end of the tunnel, and you have no idea how long your game will actually take. And just thinking about it is a depressing act. So if you make a small game, you don't have that problem. Because, man, my brain does lag today a lot. Like, I haven't slept much. Holy shit. I just can't put my thoughts together. God damn. Let me think. What was I saying? Because you quit before you get to the finish line. That's essentially the problem. The game's too large, you feel like you're making no progress, you burn out because you see no progress being made, or no meaningful progress being made. And whenever you see no meaningful progress being made, you burn out. Oh shit, am I losing? Good morning, Ferrari. Good morning, bro. And that's why people usually say you should make small games. Which, by the way, I did when I first started learning C++. I don't know about you, but I made Brick Breaker, I made Minecraft. I made Minecraft! I made Minesweeper, Brick Breaker, a poo game, moving around, avoiding poo. Then I made Pong. So I did make a couple of small games. I made a 3D engine in Vulkan too. And for me, motivation is not a big problem. Cakes, can you create complex lighting effects and shaders with SDL2 so that what's the limit? If so, what is the limit? I don't think you can actually. I think you don't have any access into shaders in SDL2. And my source for that is Coffee Lava. Now, I might be wrong here. We'll have to ask Coffee Lava again. I keep on leaking, guys. I'm losing. Yeah, we lost. Maybe I should have gotten War Banner. Let's try. Guys, I'm losing. Even with maximum investment. If you've got a time machine, would you use Unity or any engine instead of libs? Instead of no libs, C++ for this game? If I got a time machine, I would use C++ because I just used the time machine and I have all of the knowledge that I have right now in the past. So I would make gotcha, probably a very close copy to Bloons instead of this game and release it really fast. So, but I would still use C++ because I would be faster than Unity. I actually tried Unity in the beginning and Unreal Engine both. They didn't work out for me.
Bad code? Check. React all day? Check.
Wrong.
Zero
not bad code.
Check.
Cakes, do you program anymore? I haven't seen you in the past week. You're on the app and playing some waves.
Check.
Yeah, but that's what I need to do, bro.
Raylib? Check. Blending skill issues? Check.
Like, I need to do this. Guys, the waves are too difficult. I lose all the time. Your opinion on remaking Doom? If that's your first project, that's probably too large. But you can still try and fail. It's up to you. If you wanna try and fail, that's totally fine. Because you will still learn something from the experience. With SDL2, you would use the actual graphics API for OpenGL Metal to do shaders. I see, so you can't directly do it in OpenGL, sorry, in SDL2, but you can do it if you want to. Because Coffee Lava told me you can't. I need to have a word with him. He lied to me. Okay, that's looking good. Get this guy here. Cakes, I've seen someone make lighting effects for a Quake Engine remake using SDL2 and only SDL2. Yo, Opgoliver, you know what your problem is? You wanna know what your problem is right now? You're not doing anything. You're just watching videos. Maybe you're burned out. So take a break. Do something fun. You know? Maybe, I don't know, if you really want to stick with game dev, do like a really small game, really small game. But to me, I get the impression that you're just totally burnt out, bro. Could be wrong here. That's my impression. Alright, cooldown time. Do we get this here? Cooldown time. The cool thing is that my heroes constantly get better, and therefore the waves get easier because they can use their abilities more. Consider switching to grid-based placements. What if I'm with SDL2 but just use... What if I'm just too stupid to understand? Listen, bro, you're not too stupid to understand OpenGL. To me, it's either you... Listen, bro, what's... to me, it just seems like you just don't want to get started or something. That's what it looks like. Bro, I'm leaking still, man. I was born burnt out. I don't believe that. And chill, bro. Thank you very much for following. And Mr. Chess guy as well. And Alpha Connie, I think I sent that already. I also hate gridless placements. This placement, I think I love it. I think it's better than grid-based placements. And Crow GamedeV, you've subscribed, but you didn't follow yet? Oh man, what a giga chat. Welcome, sir. Cakes, every time I open a game engine / C++, I try to make something for an hour or so, I get frustrated or stuck. So just subconsciously give up. Why do you get frustrated or stuck? What's stopping you? So for example, let's say you make a game in C++. How do you get stuck? Why? How do I lose? Collector of stuffs thing is bad, man. Right, let's try this again. One more time. I'm gonna go for maximum shield ops, like he said.
Gotcha, bitch.
Duckonomics, thank you very much for following, man. Stuck like your stepsister? Bro, listen. Get the fuck out of here. What's your problem? Get the fuck out of here. I'm earning money, bro. Holy. No. God, that's... Ooh. Bruh. Bruh. It's fine. It's fine. We leaked 3. That's totally okay. Merry Christmas, Duck and Monix. Good morning, sir. Hope you're doing good. I really want to see... I really want to see why you're getting so burned out from making games, bro. It's interesting. How do you manage to kill some but not all sometimes? Bad placements and different skill order, different upgrade order does that. So for example, in this round, I have not upgraded a single weapon yet, because my goal is to go for maximum shield ops. So I'm saving up 120 gold. 120 golden oranges to pay that instead of to buy that instead of the wooden sword. The wooden sword would give me 15 damage and 10 attack speed, which makes their basic attacks faster and better, so they don't leak as much. But I feel like the shield ops over the long run will be better, so I'm testing it out right now. I'm just basically trying to beat my game by testing different things. And so right now I have 3 guys with shield ops that deal a lot of AoE damage, but their attacks are weak. And I'm probably gonna leak now.
Damn, this is actually looking good. Easily a mixed review / mostly positive.
Yeah, so this guy easily gets past and I lose. He gets past. So shield ops, my brothers, I think is balanced. I think it actually is. One more skill point. We can go for cooldown time. Or we could go... Yeah, let's go for cooldown time. Hey, Griestra, good morning. Burnout comes from failing and the fear that you're wasting time because you think you cannot do it. Once you fail, you're not made for it. Making a game isn't easy, Cakes. I know. I have had doubts in the past too. But I'm just autistic. That I for some reason, I could turn off my brain. And for some people, that's not possible. So making smaller games is probably the best option for... Well, since we're talking about him, right? Mr. Opgoliver. Bro, I think you need to chunk up your work more into smaller chunks. And then get stuff done and pat yourself on the back. Did you know that I had days in the beginning where I would work for 10 minutes? 10 minutes. And I told myself that I did a good job. 10 minutes, bro. I did nothing, essentially. But I made progress still. That was so... That was so freeing. It was great. The real question is whether you can turn your brain on. Shut the fuck up, okay, bitch. To tell you the truth, I was awake till fucking 6 AM writing fucking shitty scripts. Company. Sucks. Goodness. I'm gonna be so happy when I'm in the not shower, in the bathtub. Good morning, Sergino. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. God, the coffee tastes good. Yes. Guys, we are getting to round 20 today. Easy. Easy peasy. Come on. Very nice. Yeah, now this guy should not get past because we have way more damage than before. Very nice. Looking nice. See, that's the cool thing. I don't feel annoyed that I have to keep replaying the first couple of missions because almost every time I do that, I have more upgrades on my units, making them better. But that also means that you have to rely on those upgrades to get through the levels. Wait, what's happening on screen? You need 4 resets on the first map to even reach 20% of the map. Do you really think that's a good gameplay? Which other games that on the first map? See, that's why I'm gonna have a demo version out, Mr. Abbott. I know what you're saying and you're right. But I have to test it. So what I feel like is I can get this stuff done here to around 7, but I think starting here, we'll reset again and test.
No.
Demanga 666 just subscribed.
For 6 months.
For 1 year.
Thank you so much for subscribing for 6 months. The Mango, holy. That's insane, man. Abef, that's because of the demo version. I want to test it out for the demo. And then I just want to... misclicked. I want to test... Actually, we're gonna get War Banner now. This is gonna be it. Oh, I need 120. I can feel a rage quits around 5 whenever one fails and be forced to reset. No, I don't think so, because you're still gaining something. Okay. No Christmas tree pixel art. Cakes is falling off. What do you mean here? The Christmas tree pixel art? Yeah, cause it would kind of break the immersion of my level that I have right now. I started the game and I can't even enjoy it and I'm forced to reset. Good luck with reviews. Well, listen, that's what the demo is for. You guys are gonna give me feedback on that. And tell me if it's fun or not. And I'm gonna gather your data to see how long you play and how far you get. And the demo data will also tell me how much you enjoy this or not. It's not about theoreticals here. Okay, the demo will tell me if you guys like it or not. We can't work on theoreticals. Excuse me. Look at how Kingdom Rush works. You have multiple ways to solve the level. Yeah, I know. I'm currently working on that. What is this? Stop. Stop. I thought I played this playlist. I'm gonna get demonetized again on YouTube. Man. Area of effect. I think that's fine. Health. We can go for projectile speed. Maybe ability duration is a good next thing. So we got this now. Yeah, but I think right now is lacking is the mage in power. The mage is very underpowered compared to the other units in terms of damage output and usability. But that's okay. I'm gonna keep that for the demo and balancing later. If I manage to beat this with the defender, then you guys will give me feedback on how imbalanced it is. It's fine. Ooh, it's close, but I think I'm beating it, actually. Ooh, it's close. I actually managed to do it, okay. Cakez, have you seen, so how about that damage metric? We should do that. I was thinking about that too. Maybe we could do this today. But let me get to another round first to see. Alright, so this... Wait, who has still a level 1 sword? This guy has? Ooh, I'm losing now. Yikes. Oh no, I lost. Okay, I lost again. Would be more fun if rats choose a random road after the first intersection. Not familiar with tower defense games. Yeah, but that will happen too. But for now, I'm gonna keep it the way it is. It's already difficult enough. Yeah, Smiling Big, I have seen Mr. Real Super Cool's game and it looked really good. Okay, so what I get from this is that round 11 is too OP. And we need to have a round in between maybe. Hello brother, did you implement the dual grid? I did, but I have not completely added it to my game yet. Okay, round 11 is the insane one. Let's get another one in between that's maybe less crazy. Yeah, let's make an easy one here. Space this out a bit more. We're gonna do 30. Dude, what happened? Stop that. Hello, Asen. Good morning, bro. Then we have fast rats. Starting here, 0.6, 14. Let's see what that looks like. Hello. Oh, I see. Round 11. Okay, so we have a batch of fast rats here. I feel like 2.4 is a bit much. Let's do 1.8. Soon TM. Yeah, I'm gonna add that into my demo version after the demo is out or into my game. Right now it makes no sense to add it because I need to work on content and gameplay. That's what we're doing here. Alright, let's see. Maybe I put it here. How about we put it at 4 seconds? We have fast rats and then we're gonna add... what is it called? Silver? Silver rats. Let's do 8. They start at 20 seconds and then they have 1 second interleave. Let's see how that looks. And then the ill rats, maybe 30 is a bit much. Let's try 20. Thank you very much, Imperator Krull, for following. I still can't see it. That's crazy. Cake says the Christmas matter on today. Yes, my man. I do. I do have that. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe move this... maybe move this back a little bit to 24. Imperator Kroll. I think I said that already, right? Making your own game but can't beat yourself, JK, with a Giga Chant? I think it's great that my game's difficult because I like difficult games. But right now it feels like I don't have many options to get around that. So that's bad. Let's go back to round 11. Did Cakes change the spinny shield move? Yeah, I did. We just removed the shield. We nerfed it a little bit. Alright, let's do this again. We're gonna restart everything. And we're gonna test if this works. So, Aizen, you're gonna celebrate Christmas today, bro? I asked that question earlier. Other people. I feel like Collector of Stuff's thing is okay, but I feel like I have a better placement.
Gotcha, bitch!
Here. Paker, thank you very much for following. Oh man. Add cheat codes to the game as unlock meta progression weak player. Let's go over here. Shield orbs. He says my coverage was shit. Nice tree, Cakes. Oh, thank you. You mean the tree here in the background? I will celebrate with pigs in blankets. What does that mean? Pigs in blankets? Is that like some type of dish? Okay, that's really bad. Holy, I'm actually losing very... Oh my god. Alright, wait. That tasty food, it's food? I see.
Gotcha, bitch.
Monri, thank you very much for following, man. Alright, we're gonna do this. Guys, maybe I should have enough gold for 3 defenders in the beginning. Maybe that makes it easier. Nah, meta progression should do that. Much better placement than collectors, yeah. And then we get this. The hardest part is killing the blue guy. Let's see here. There's this guy. Wow, it's actually much better. No, it's not. I'm leaking here too. Wow, I'm so weak. It's crazy. I wonder if you can even get around this. Okay, that looks good. I feel like I need to have 1 round before round 5. I think the blue guy spawns now, right? He should be spawning on round 6. I would need to stagger the rounds a little bit more. I think they're too difficult. Yeah, I can barely beat the rounds. And I lose to this guy too. And I basically have the optimal placement. So, I need to do something with earlier rounds, round 5. Drop first item. I'm gonna do this on 6 then. Let me see. Round 4 is kind of crazy. Let's test this again. I feel like the defenders need a little bit more range. Merry Christmas, Cakes and shit. Hey, HB Jonas. Merry Christmas to you too, bro. Yes, sir. So wait, this guy should have more coverage. But he barely hits, so if I put him here, he hits more units. Okay, let's make this here. Let's see. Huh? Okay, let's do shield ops. Wait, did it not go through my ASCII pasta? It did. It did, bro. See this? Maybe it doesn't show for you? Okay, round 3. I think the first 2 rounds are fine. Round 3 is, I think, too OP. Let's see. Too difficult to beat. Let's test. This is fine. Now the fast ones come. They are really fast. Damn. I'm leaking. Could I have done anything to avoid that? Maybe get this guy here? Is bro streaming in the living room? I'm streaming in like the eating room, something. Like we don't use this room other than me streaming. So... Oh wow, that looks better. Okay. Ooh, I got it. I got it still. Cakez, I finally realized that I've been unwillingly approaching game without expecting to have to learn complicated systems and just make a game. I used to use Scratch when I was younger, so I'm used to stuff kind of just happening on screen after I input it. I used to use Scratch when I was younger. What does that mean? I used to use Scratch. What does that mean? Is it like a program? He no longer uses Scratch. What does that mean, guys? Okay, can I beat this guy? I think I can. Looking good. Looking really nice here. Ooh. Hey, I got it. Hell yeah. Maybe I should unlock the mage. I feel like the items drop too late. My biggest problem in the game is that the items drop too late. Cakez doesn't know what Scratch is. Drag and drop blocks of code. I see. No, I have not used this ever. Scratch, edu, look it up. Okay, so it's basically something that allows you to make games. Okay. About Scratch. You can make games and animations in this. Learn to code, learn to learn, code to learn. Scratch in schools. Do a game with Scratch. Share. Remake Tangy in Scratch? Absolutely not. No way. Scratch these nuts, true. I feel like I need an upgrade for weapons earlier. That's my biggest problem in the game right now. I should find a weapon much earlier than this. I'm in round 6 and I still haven't gotten my first weapon. That's the bad part. Some guy made getting over it in Scratch. Hello Kuchen77. Hello Mr. Fear of Darkness. Hope it's going good. Merry Christmas. Honestly, I'm surprised someone hasn't told Cakez to use this instead of C++. Bro, you're getting a timeout. See you in 5 minutes. What are you talking about? Make them punch in the beginning, give them stick later? No. They start with a weapon, but they need a weapon upgrade earlier than this. Earlier than round 6. It needs to happen earlier. Like in round 3 or 4. Merry Christmas. Merry Crisis. Is that your real username? Good morning. Yeah, account created in 2018. Look at this, guys. He made his account in 2018 to tell everyone Merry Christmas. Or Merry Crisis, I guess. Merry Chrysler. Yes, he is. You will need to create a first and equip as a weapon. No, I know, but I don't want it. I don't want to do it. I want them to find. Right, so level 2 or round 2 is skill tree. I feel like in round 4 I should find my first item. Let's redo this. I know I'm resetting a lot, but this is polish, guys. I'm polishing the gameplay experience, much like... So, for those of you who are wondering, what am I doing here? Why am I spending so much time on this, the first couple of levels? Take a look at Code Rat Games. If anything, I could say localization is huge. If my game was not translated to German, Maxim might not have played it. Also, Chinese user played the game, and this was the biggest video about the game as well. So that's a new thing that I didn't see yet. That is Codewright Games, who released his game recently. That's 31,000 views on a 37-minute video. That's amazing. And so, what am I talking about here? Codewright Games, you guys know him, has released his demo of Roguelite to Steam. And he crafted an experience for players that would last about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your skill level. So the majority of players would beat the game within that time frame. Let's take a look. Roguelite demo SteamDB. Right now, no longer people are playing it. Let's see here. 7-hour peak, yeah, so 1 month. And so he managed to release his demo on December 4th and have a consistent player basis of about, well, 10 to 20 players each day. And then it went up, and now since the game is no longer being advertised actively, it's obviously fallen down. But these player numbers are amazing. And so I'm aiming for something similar with my demo. And so right now what I'm doing is I keep replaying the first couple of levels of my game to find something that doesn't fit, or that feels off, or that might upset the player, or that basically is anti-fun. And I'm trying to flesh it out as much as possible. So round 5, drop first item. I feel like it should not be on round 5. I feel like it should be on round 4.
Gotcha,
Number
bitch.
1. It should be earlier. But if I spawn this red earlier, the silver red here, that's too difficult to beat. The silver red on round 4 is too strong. We tried that before. Didn't work. So there's only 2 options that we can go for. Number 1, we can nerf the silver red. Or we need to buff the heroes. And I do not want to buff the heroes, because the heroes, at least the one hero that I'm using at that point, feels really good. He feels balanced against the enemies. So I need to do something else. You're gonna have to cut the skeleton mobs to reach China, bro. We'll see if I have to. I don't know. Let's test. Yeah, and DataPleb, thank you very much for following, man. Cakez, saying as someone who doesn't play TDs a lot, having the upgrade earlier helps, keeps the interest, discovering new things is nice. So I agree that earlier is better. It needs to be earlier because it feels bad that you have no upgrades available to you. Now on round 2, you are busy getting shield orbs. You're like, oh cool, I got an ability, or shield orbs, or some other ability. You're like, damn, cool, I can get a new ability. Look how that is. That feels good. That feels good. Feels good. Now on round 3, you are extending your party. You're like, okay, so round 3, let me get either a new unit or more upgrades. That's up to you. You know, some people will get an upgrade, some people will place a new unit. Now on round 4, the people have been used to this upgrade now. And then I need to introduce something. Did I really just leak? So that the player feels like he has options. Right now, the only option is place hero, get shield orbs. That's bad. I want to introduce a new option here. But the problem is, let me just show you. My units are too weak to beat the silver red. Watch. They can't beat it. It's close, but they are unable to beat this. And this is the unit that drops the item. This unit unlocks the item for me and unlocks the gameplay experience. It is so difficult to beat that 100% of the time I miss this. Let's see here. Maybe if I place this guy. But even if you do, I feel like this should not be something that you could lose. Make the first one nerfed. I thought about making the first one nerfed by introducing the same, by basically introducing a different enemy type, but that looks the same and it's just weaker. Reduce the hero cost? I don't know. Like now I managed to beat it. See, like there is ways to beat it, but it's not 100% guaranteed. I think showing them they have missed it is good enough. I feel like I should make the first one nerfed. I think that's actually the best thing. Avoid touching heroes because you will have to rework everything. Yeah, I don't want to rework the heroes. The heroes are really nice. I think I need to make the first rat have less HP. First one is very simple, yeah. Because the first one will just be a different enemy type. So I could have an enemy rat silver that is just nerfed. That's it. And then the nerfed silver rat is just this, but less HP. It's exactly the same thing, but it has half the HP. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. And then the loot table. The silver rat has a 1 out of 1 chance to drop an item. And then gold drop is fine. That's nerfed. There you go. And then in round 4... Hey, dude! What just happened? Oh, let's see. Need hard love. Don't spoon feed the player. No, but this one is important. After that, the game will be difficult. But the first one needs to be nerfed. And if 300 is too little, then we're just gonna do 400 HP. There you go. I think that's better. Much, much better. Thank you. First 3 rounds ever need to be easy like a tutorial. Yeah, the first few rounds need to be easy enough. You're right. Right, let's place one here. Clang GD versus C++ extension. C++ extension. Yeah, White Elite? What does that mean? Huh? Mm-hmm. Hey there, how's the demo coming along? Good. Slow, but good. And she left the door open. Like always. Hope you're doing good too, Mr. Zemeo. Alright, so let's see. Round 4. I think we found a good solution here. Yeah. Clang GD versus C++ extension. I don't know what that means, bro. You wrote that on YouTube too. I have no idea what you mean by that. What does that mean? Okay, round 4 is the important one. Let's hope this works. I'm leaking even. That's bad. Yeah, so that's definitely possible, bro. Yeah. So that should be easily possible. And now we get our first weapon. And with this weapon, we can start to deal way more damage than before. I think that feels good. Hello, what's up? Good morning. If the door bothers you that much, why don't you just buy one that closes automatically, Cakez? Because I can't. It's not my flat. And also, I don't think it's too much to ask to close it. Alright, I think this feels much better. Now we have the mage too. Yeah, good idea. That's actually really good. That's so huge, because now we are actually able to get much further into the game without... Let's see here. Let's do cooldown time. without losing. I might still leak a little bit, but it's closer now. And so the game feels better. Very nice. I like that. That's good. That feels good. I'm happy. This is nice. So when you get a wooden sword item, you essentially unlock that to be used for all units. Yeah, exactly. It's basically unlocking the item itself. And then that's permanently added to your team. And now now it just needs to now we just need to unlock more and more items. And so to make the game more interesting, I need to figure out a way to, well, have that happen reasonably often. Considering what you already know about about me, should I just use an engine and learn its quirks and start actual games? So what you should do right now is make one game in anything and force you to finish it. If everything you have done so far resulted in you quitting, then make the game so small that you can't quit. Make such a small game that you are definitely going to finish it. Pong. Make Pong. I think that's the easiest. And it doesn't matter what you do it in, just do it in something. Start somewhere. Bro, you're making this so complicated, bro. You're wasting your time. Do you realize that? You're just wasting your time. Ooh, now these come. Oh wow, I easily beat them. Do I though? Okay, I'm still in the game. I'm still in the game. Damn, that was close. Holy. You can do it in Bevy. You're gonna go crazy if you don't know Rust. Okay, I think we made some good changes today. That feels much better than before. This is my first time and it feels so much better. And we're losing now. Yep, we are losing now. Okay, there's still some imbalance, but it's much better. I like it. Nah, fuck Rust. Yo, hello there, Wiseham on YouTube. Good morning, bro. Hello, sir. Let's see here. Lebkuchen today? I would love to, but... Yeah. Well, unfortunately, I already have to go, guys. I would like to stay longer, but I have to go. My wife is like stressing out over getting there too late to my parents. Yeah, I have a friend that started to create a game engine in Rust. He gave up and now is back to C++. Yeah, I would love to stay longer with you guys. Merry Christmas, yeah, Merry Christmas to everyone that joined today. Thank you guys for being here. Hope you had some, some time. Hope it was nice for you staying here. Hope you had a fun time. Wanted to be online on Christmas at least. To be here for a while. Because I know not everyone can be with their family. And I'll be definitely online tomorrow too. And then we're gonna do some more interesting stuff. Have some more fun. Merry Christmas, Cakes. Have a wonderful time with the family and see you again tomorrow. Yeah, see you again tomorrow too. And you guys have a Merry Christmas as well. I think I can send you over to Adrian Learns, right?
Am I so out of touch?
He's been here oftentimes.
Skamaze2 just subscribed. Big tick
Ah, man.
support for 3 years.
Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas, skies.
Yeah, you guys on YouTube, game looking good. Merry Christmas. Yeah, thank you very much. Merry Christmas to you too. You guys have a good one, yeah. I'll see you all tomorrow and enjoy yourselves today, right? Don't eat too much food. That's not good. But don't worry, if you don't eat enough, I'll eat the food for you. I promise you. I'll be so fat, I will roll back home when I'm done at my parents'. So yeah, guys. Thank you very much for the incredible support on YouTube too. I'll see you all tomorrow. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye-bye. Peace. Merry Christmas. Yes, Merry Christmas to you too.